I'm Robin Clever and you're watching the 101 uses of a multi-tool. Have you ever had that situation where you've needed to cut a shower valve into lightweight block work? You need to go pretty deep and the last thing you want to do is weaken the block. This is the tool for you. Using a 32mm carbide blade for plunging allows me to cut parallel to the back of the housing where I need it and form a really nice flat surface for, say, a shower valve. And the best thing of all, I'm not having to bash and crash with a hammer and bolster. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon.